In this video, we're going to see how you can set up your twist in your home. There's 3 different ways that you can attach your twist. On the back side of the twist, remove the hatch which is located on the upper part using a small flathead screwdriver. Then, with the same tool, remove the wall mount from the opposite side. Screw it to the wall through the 2 holes in the wall mount using M3 screws. Each Flic Twist comes with a reusable adhesive sticker. Stick the adhesive according to the instructions written on the adhesive and place it on a hard surface. Attaching it to sensitive surfaces like wallpaper is not recommended. A magnet is also built in the back side of the Flic Twist, where you can simply attach it to any metal surface.